Here's a quick walk around video of my 74 Ford Highboy. It's a real F250 truck. It's got all the old school accessories on it. Period correct worn winch. It's got some really cool pinstriping on it. This is a midnight metallic paint. This truck is super nice underneath. It's got the old 36-inch Super Swampers on it. Side exhaust. It's got the old toolbox. It's a rare option, it's neat to see. Super nice truck. This thing is got a rear mounted winch as well. You pull these couple of wing nuts off, and then behind it, it's got access for the winch. Super Swamper underneath. Dana 60. I think it's just straight as an arrow. Nice truck. Bed's all painted. It's got a mat down for protection. Rear slider. Look inside. Cool, old school, period correct, like from the 80s. Aftermarket seat, center console. It's a factory AC truck. Everything on it works. This thing's got Holley fuel injection. It's got a C6 automatic transmission. You got your divorce transfer case. It's got that anodized red undercarriage. Super clean truck. Of course, the bottom of the doors, super important. Just dry, clean, perfect. And this thing is got a 428 in it, so that's a neat option to be having in your 74 Highboy. Let's take a look under the hood. So dual batteries. There's that 428. Like I said, factory AC. Clean. Nice truck, fuel injection. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys this one before I sell it. Thanks for taking a look. Have a nice day.